Thank you for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Dinosaur Marble Run blocks. Our channel does a lot of marble runs as well as plastic models and Lego brick type builds. Oftentimes though they are not Lego brand builds. This also appears to be a brick build. Looks like it's made by BurgKidz, B-U-R-G Kids. We're heading into Christmas time. Part of this channel is to help you decide what to love making next. Of course, it also helps, essentially goes closely to with what you should buy next to make. And since we're heading into near Christmas time, we thought we would definitely want to do a whole bunch of builds this month to give you ideas for your family and feel like, you know, certainly ones that are definitely ones you want to buy that are going to be good for them and entertaining and fun and hopefully reasonably priced. And so this is the first off of these, honestly, and this is the Marble Run, as like I said, we do love to do. It said it was for ages 3+. This is definitely Chinese made. I don't know what their standards are in China for, you know, kids swallowing stuff, but I felt like 3 was, younger, certainly worse. It's 3+, but for 3-year-olds, I feel like it's still somewhat dangerous for worrying about swallowing hazards. So I put on there 5+, and that's also I found on a website there, the New York Board of Health tends to recommend ages 5 and beyond there as far as swallowing hazards there. So, you know, certainly you know your own kid probably better than most people. I'd say if there's any doubt that they might swallow it, then you definitely, this might not be for you at that time, or for your family at that time. So definitely please consider your child's safety, as I would consider my own child's safety there. And of course I want your kid to be safe. Let's take a quick look around here. It's got apparently little dinosaurs that come with it. On the end here, I don't know if you can see, let me zoom out a little bit here. You can see there's 3 different builds on there. I don't know if this kit does all 3. So it'll be interesting to see. Maybe we'll get a little look at that as we get inside here. So yeah, let's get her opened up and see what's inside. I got this from Temu. I don't know if Amazon sells these or not. I will look into it, you know, to give you, I usually give you options to buy, you know, wherever I can find them. Amazon, you know, certainly is where I do a lot of purchases, but lately I've been doing a whole lot of purchases from Temu because they can be much better priced than Amazon. But I will say the one trade-off you often get is a lot of Temu stuff doesn't actually come in a box, even though this one did. Usually they come in a bag, or if they come in a bag, they're in a box, but the box is smashed to bits. Okay, so there's our first little dinosaur there. 1, 2, and that one's got a piece that might be broken. Maybe that's how it attaches. I guess it's not broken. It looks like it's attached. It just attaches in a different way. Okay. Okay, so they are duplo size. As a brick kit goes, right? I was thinking they would be smaller than that, but I am wrong. Yeah. Okay, and the balls are pretty big. They would be certainly not impossible for a kid to swallow, but it would be, it's a pretty big chunk there. They'd probably have a time of it. Let's see, here is the base. Yep. And another base. And another bag of parts. We've got the little vortex there. And we've got a type of flipper. Okay. And one more dinosaur. Looks like a little T-Rex. And the last dinosaur here, a little Brachiosaurus or some type of sauropod anyway. Let's see here. And let's just put that there. Let's look at the directions here. I think again it says 3+. Again, I still would feel more comfortable with a little bit older kid working on this versus a younger. Let's see. So one thing I want to be sure of is you know, the language in it, and I do see a lot of English. Hand press the gravity hammer lightly to keep upright before the balls run. That's not too bad English. That's actually pretty good. Okay, yeah, let's see. Although, let's see, warm tips. Whatever that means. The gravity hammer has passed to test to hit the ball out. Please lightly press the handle of the hammer to keep it upright before playing. If the ball can't cross smoothly on the track, please check whether the joints are tightly fitted or not. And if the hammer is separated from the transparent part, you can install it back on. Okay, so not perfect English by any stretch, but I've seen worse. And let's see, so scene 1, and it gives you a list of parts, which is cool, and then shows you it being built. And alright. So yeah, it's just kind of building. And then scene 2. So it gives you at least 2 different builds. Oh, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5. So yeah, it mentions a number of ways. It looks like at least 5 different builds. Oh, it actually mentions on the back, email Amazon at BurgKidz.com. So I can pretty much guarantee that they sell these on Amazon as well. So you'll definitely have to look for yourself whether you feel like Amazon is the better to go to versus Temu. Yeah, so thanks again for watching. We really appreciate your support. We're at 181 subscribers. We're trying to go for 250 by the end of November. We certainly would appreciate your help with that. And I'll give this a review and build and review and let you know how it turns out here. Thank you.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.